In China, we like to start off our day with the silky rice soup called congee. I think it's the best way to start off your day. I'm using a long grain rice. I'm cooking the rice in chicken stock instead of water. It's gonna make it extra flavorful. And after a couple of hours, you get congee. Look at this. It's a cross between your morning porridge and a silky smooth soup. The best thing about congee is that you can flavor it a million different ways. I'm using pork. I got some fresh shiitake mushrooms. They have a nice woodsy flavor. If you don't have it, you can use your favorite mushrooms. A little bit of soy sauce is gonna give it some color and saltiness. Got some Shaoxing rice wine. A little bit more salt. Heat from white pepper. And sugar to balance things off. The Shaoxing wine is gonna bring all the flavors together. It's gonna give it a bit more moisture and that fragrance. Congee is the type of soup that I make when I'm feeling under the weather. It's comforting, it's satisfying, and the meat and the mushrooms is gonna make the soup extra hearty. This is comfort food to the max. I want some crunch to top my congee. It's got some scallions and some ginger, and a little trick too, use a spoon to peel the ginger. Actually keeps most of the ginger intact. Cool. I'm gonna thinly slice these so that they won't overpower the congee, but it'll still give it a nice crunch. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, congee always satisfies. I'm so hungry right now. A little sesame oil for that intense aroma and that crunch. This bowl reminds me of my childhood. My grandma used to make this all the time. I feel like I need to put on my warm, fuzzy socks right at the fireplace and have this huge bowl.